Repeat after me. I state your full name.
I, Gabriel Wessig,
Do solemnly swear.
do solemnly swear
I will support and defend
I will support and
the
defend
Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
foreign and domestic,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
and obey the orders
and obey the
of
orders
the President of the United States
of the President of the United
and
States
the orders of the officers
and orders of the officers
appointed over me
appointed over
according
me
to the regulations
according to the
and the
regulations
Uniform Code
and the Uniform
of
Code
Military Justice.
of Military
So help me
Justice.
God.
So help me God.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. Everybody, welcome to the board. Okay, my ins and outs speech for going into the delayed entry program and going off to basic and get in the best shape of your life. All right, you're going to be physically challenged. So between now and the date of your boot camp, please get in the best shape. Get a physical regiment training program going. And the out part is stay out of trouble with the law. So keep those seat belts buckled and no speeding. And any major life changes between now and basic, please keep your recruiters informed what's going on in your life. So I'll define a major life change as marriage, divorce, adopting children, having children, any major medical or dental procedures. And lastly, before you get a tattoo, please talk to your recruiters. All right, this concludes our oath of enlistment. Does anybody have any questions for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we're going to do is everybody please come back to attention. And follow. You're dismissed and follow me. Let's go sign your paperwork.
Certificate.